Hi, my name is Samantha.
Hi, and I'm Buiry, and we are black belts from teaching taekwondo.
Today, we'll be learning the fundamental basics of Taeguk Jang. We'll be learning two stances, walking stance and front stance.
And then we'll move on to 4 hand techniques: the punch, low block, middle block, and high block.
Let's begin! Today, we'll be starting walking stance. And first, we'll talk about the distance between our feet. And so first off, the distance between your feet should be 1 foot apart. So as you can see, she's going to put her heel aligned with her toe, and then she's going to take one more step forward in order to create the distance between them. And facing forward, she'll be putting one fist between her feet to create a distance sideways. And then she's going to step forward once and twice. And then remember, your back foot should also be turned 15 degrees. So it's not completely facing forward, but off to the side. Next is front stance. So again, starting off with distance, we'll be taking one step forward, and then taking another step. And depending on the person's foot size, your distance, the total distance between your feet should be 2.5 to 3 feet. Stepping forward, and then of course, bending your knee. And your knee, as you can see, should be in line or further than your toes. And facing forward now, starting off in a regular or a small chungi stance, just like this, you have to turn your foot 15 degrees so that it's facing off to the side. And then stepping forward all the way, and then bending your knee, making sure that your front foot is facing completely forward.
And now we're going to do our hand techniques. First, the punch. A punch chamber will look like this. One hand in front of you, relaxed, and your other hand, your punching hand at your belt. When you punch forward, your punching hand is going to come forward in a straight line. And as you punch, you're going to chamber at the same time, at the last moment, and punch. As you can see, your punch is going to be at the height of your solar plexus. A full punch will look like this. First your chamber, relax at your belt, and then punch, and at your solar plexus. Next, we will do the low block. So the chamber will look like this. Your pinky is going to start on your shoulder, and your chambering hand is going to be in front of you, just like the punch, relax. And when you block, you're going to bring your arm down, your hand following the line of your arm, and right before you're going to block, you're going to pull back and block. As you can see, your block will end on the same line as your body line, not out and not more in. A full block will look like this, starting on your shoulder, hand in front, relax, and block. Next is the middle block. The chambering will look like this. First, the chambering hand in front of you, relax, then your blocking hand behind you, your fist face behind you, elbow bent at about a 90 degrees angle, and then when you block, you're going to bring your elbow in, your fist still facing forward, and at the last moment, you're going to rotate and block and bring your hand in. Your block is going to stop at your solar plexus, just like a punch. And so a full block will look like this. Chambering hand up, relax, blocking hand up, facing outwards, 90 degrees angle, and block. Next, the high block. First, the chamber. So your chambering hand is going to be at your mouth with your thumb in front of your mouth. Then your blocking hand will be wrapped around you with your pinky and your belt. As you chamber, you're going to bring your fist up and your whole arm up. And right as you chamber, you're going to block and chamber at the same time. Your fist should be about a fist away from your head. And if you turn to the side, you can see that it is not directly above her head or directly in front of her forehead. It is at an angle, so that if anything was to come down at her, it wouldn't hit her head. And as you face back forward, you can see that her arm is at an angle, This way it makes your block much stronger than if it was straight. Now the full block. First the chambering. Hand at your mouth, hand on your belt, then block. And now Samantha will show you the whole form of Taeguk. As you watch, you will see the stances and hand techniques that we learned throughout the form in full motion.
차렷! 경례! 준비! 시작!